Hey guys, what's up? It's me and more BMX Josh. Today I'm gonna do a bike check. Alright? To start off, we got premium 8.25 rise bars, Colt Vans grips in blue, premium nylon bar protectors. I say that because they fit around your bars, they curve around them. It's pretty cool. We got a premium stem, Cancrete headset integrated, Haro forks, Odyssey Hawk tire 2.20. We got a Haro 2011 frame. It's pretty cool. Stock, some random C-clamp I found. We got a Shadow Conspiracy seat post, animal pivotal seat in white. It used to be white, but now it's gray. Still having the white seats. Unless you get yeah, and then we got 3-piece cranks, just like stock 3-piece cranks, sprockets, chain. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, Dingley Nation PBR rims with blue nipples and black spokes in the stock color. And yeah, back here, same exact thing, just in the black. Then we got a premium CK tire in 2.0. And yeah, pretty much sums up my bike check. So